Hi everyone, I'm Sheila M. Bajaj, and this video that I'm doing is just for you to understand the benefits and the caution that you need to follow for bay leaf ritual. I recently had a question from someone who asked me, I did the bay leaf ritual and I got a lot of body pain after that, or I got a lot of, I felt very uncomfortable, there was a sort of a reaction that happened. So I'm specially recording this video for that reason. A lot of times when you do the bay leaf ritual just like that, okay, without following the entire process, there can be adverse effects, because when you do the bay leaf ritual, you're using a whole bunch of the herbs that I've recommended you to use, the asafoetida, the cloves, the pepper, all of that, but you aren't really using the main ingredient, which is the bay leaf ritual kit. There's a reason why that kit was created, is because those herbs, those resins, and that whole process, that whole mixture, that magic formula that I make is meant to transmute the energy of whatever you're releasing, the curses, the jinxes, the psychic attack, the black magic, the negative emotions. So basically, instead of going to a healer or a priestess like me, where I would do the ritual for you, we basically mix all of those magic ingredients and we give it to you. We have a kit for that reason, so that you can use that, burn all of that malefic energy in that mixture. We don't put unnecessary ingredients like that are easily available, in your kitchen, like your pepper, your cloves, your hing, your garlic, your onion, all of that. We don't include all of that. The coriander seeds, the jeera, the ajwain, all of that you need to add separately. So I'm going to post a list of all the ingredients in the post below. Please follow that. Please add all those ingredients. There are a lot of additional herbs you can add to it if the intensity on you is a little more. There's a jinx breaking herb you can add. There's a jinx block busting herb that you can add, which is different levels of really jinxes. So each herb has a magical property and each one removes a certain kind of energy. So you don't want to just limit yourself to doing bay leaf ritual one way. Sometimes you got to have a repertoire of herbs in your bay leaf ritual box, so that you can add other herbs and see how you feel with it. There's also jinx and hex breaking herb. Some of these herbs can remove curses from generations. So I'm going to recommend each one person, either you do the bay leaf ritual in the way that I've suggested you to do it, or you don't do it at all. Because if you're going to do it the wrong way, you're going to see a lot of adverse effects like body pain, or you're going to have psychic attack, feeling like it's like whatever you're removing, you're basically, it bounces back on you. So a word of caution on that, please be careful. And just in case you've tried doing the bay leaf ritual with all those ingredients and you haven't put the bay leaf ritual kit herbs, the one that I make, the one that is procured at my office, I'm the one who channeled the bay leaf ritual, so I know what mixture goes in that. And a lot of people say, hey, what is the stuff that goes in there? Maybe I can do it without it. You can't. It's like if you're trying to burn away something really potent, the energy needs to be transmuted. Energy can never be destroyed. It can only change form. So which is why in the bay leaf ritual, that mixture in the BLR kit is what transmutes the energy, and then your house gets all of that amazing energy. So please go ahead and do it the right way. Otherwise, please do not attempt doing the bay leaf ritual. If any of you are abroad and you can't do the ritual, we have a Facebook group as well, which I'm going to post the link for as well. You can join the Facebook group and you can request one of our people on the group who takes care of bay leaf ritual. You can have them do it on your behalf. We can do it for 108 days for you. We can do it for a single day. But please, 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 if you do the ritual, do it the way that I suggest you. Otherwise, you're going to have adverse effects. All right? Thank you for watching, and share this video to as many people as possible, so that they can do the bay leaf ritual themselves. I mean, I could have just been selfish and said, no, if you want to get bay leaf ritual done, I'll do it for you. But the reason I teach people is I want to empower people to know how to do a ritual themselves whenever they need it. If there's no one to do it at our center, or if there's no one available, then at least you should have access to doing it yourself, helping yourself. All right, so thank you for watching, and share this video and share it with as many people as possible, so that you can spread the magic of bay leaf ritual to empower people to take care of their own struggles, their own strife, and their own kitch. And if you want to get in touch with me, sheila.com, and if you want to order that bay leaf ritual kit, you can call our office directly, 9900 120034, or you can go to shop.sheila.com. shop.sheila.com, and Sheila is always with a double A. Bye guys, thank you.